Are you being investigated by DHS and you're not sure what's going to happen? My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office. I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about what it looks like when DHS is investigating and what it looks like if they decide to go ahead and do a removal. Um, a lot of people get really nervous when they realize that DHS is going to be looking into their families, and it can be scary. It absolutely can be. Um, there are steps to go through before they just will yank your kids, though. A lot, depending on the allegations, a lot of times that they will try to see what they can do to work with you and kind of improve whatever caused them to be called without taking the kids out of the home. um, they've got plenty of home-based services that they can offer, counseling. you know they have access to different types of assistance to try to help you out. They might want to maybe look at a safety plan where um, they don't take the kids into state's custody, but maybe just for a couple days they need to go stay with an aunt or uncle, something like that, to try to make whatever the allegation is, if it's abuse, if it's neglect, if it's substance related, if whatever it is, they're going to try to figure out a way to get the concern handled without having to actually take the kids into state's custody. A lot of people don't don't realize that. There's a lot of misconceptions about DHS. One of the one of the not very nice names that people will call caseworkers, they'll call them baby snatchers because they think that all they want to do is just take kids and put them in state custody. They really don't. And a lot of times, if you get an attorney early on in those cases, we can help kind of negotiate with the state to see, okay, I know that you're wanting X, but maybe we can do Y. I know that there's a concern. What can we do to alleviate those concerns without it having to actually get into the court system? It doesn't always work, and if and when you find yourself in a situation where they're saying, listen, no, we need to go ahead and do an emergency removal, unfortunately, sometimes that happens. If that's the case, you definitely want to be able to already have an attorney on hand who's familiar with the case, familiar with the facts, so that way, whenever that emergency hearing is, it has to be done within 3 days, I think, or less. Regardless of when that is, your attorney can be ready. He can have all the facts that they need, and they can be just prepared to defend you. If this is something where you really think that you need some help with, or you've got some concerns about it, please feel free to give us a call. My name is Carl Burkhead. I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.